Are you tired of sharing your living quarters with uninvited, winged visitors? Join us in this video as we reveal the secrets of safely deterring bats from residing in your home. Equipped with eco-friendly tips and tricks, you can restore peace without resorting to harmful methods. This natural approach will help you say goodbye to bat troubles and hello to a peaceful night's sleep. Despite common misconceptions about bats being aggressive or dangerous, they are actually shy and gentle animals who play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. However, an infestation of bats can lead to unpleasant odor, rabies, undesirable allergies, histoplasmosis infection, and extensive property damage. Hence, you may need to remove them promptly. Let's explore the best 8 natural ways to eliminate bats. 1. Essential oil spray. Essential oil sprays can be a powerful natural solution to repel bats effectively. Mint oil, famous for its refreshing scent, can deter bats from entering your space while also leaving a pleasant aroma. Cinnamon oil's strong fragrance is another excellent option that bats find off-putting. Eucalyptus oil has a fresh and invigorating scent, and it's an effective repellent against pests like bats due to its strong aromatic properties. Cloves, a popular spice with a distinct aroma, is a spray to create an unwelcoming environment for bats without harming them. Lastly, peppermint oil has a minty scent that masks the musty odor of bat infestations and is a deterrent to keep them away. Apply the oil near entry points or roosting sites to create an unappealing environment for the pests. You can also combine the essential oil with 2 cups of warm water and half a cup of sugar for a potent solution. Utilizing these essential oils in spray form can safely rid your home of bats while enjoying the enchanting fragrances they provide. 2. Moth balls. Moth balls are a common household item that many use to deter moths from damaging fabrics. However, it can also be effective in eliminating bats naturally. The smell of mothballs, primarily consisting of naphthalene or paradichlorobenzene, can act as a repellent for bats due to their sensitive olfactory system. Placing mothballs near bat entry points or where they roost may discourage them from returning. While mothballs can be an effective solution for deterring bats, they are not without drawbacks. The chemicals in mothballs can harm humans and pets if ingested or inhaled in large quantities. Also, consider the environmental impact of mothballs, as these chemicals can persist in the environment and potentially harm other wildlife. As such, you should weigh the pros and cons before using mothballs for bat removal. 3. Seal entry points. When dealing with the issue of bat infestation, it's crucial to pay close attention to entry points around your home. Bats can enter through gaps as small as a 1/4 inch, so meticulously inspect your property for potential openings. These entrances could include gaps in roofing, cracks in walls, or even spaces around pipes and vents. Sealing these entry points prevents bats from entering your living space and reduces the chance of reinfestation. A strategic approach to sealing entry points involves using materials such as sealant, mesh screens, or foam insulation to block off any openings that bats could use to enter your home. Remember that thoroughness is vital in this process. Even the smallest gap can be an entry point for bats. Investing time and effort into sealing these areas to protect your home from bats and contribute to creating a safer and more secure living environment for yourself and your family. 4. Phenol. As we explore natural solutions for bat removal, one intriguing substance that comes to mind is phenol. Phenol, aka carbolic acid, is a potent compound with distinct properties that enable it to repel bats. Its strong, distinctive odor is often repulsive to bats, driving them away from areas where phenol is present. This quality makes phenol viable for those looking to deter bats without causing harm. Besides, the versatility of phenol extends beyond its repelling properties. It can also disinfect and clean the infested area, making it a practical choice for maintaining hygiene in inhabited spaces. Incorporating phenol into your natural bat removal strategy wards off these nocturnal creatures and ensures cleanliness and sanitation in affected areas. It can be purchased in a liquid solution form. 5. Build a bat house in your yard so they prefer this to your attic. Adding a bat house in your yard is an excellent way to remove bats, and it also helps support these ecologically important creatures. Bats are crucial in controlling insect populations like mosquitoes, making them valuable allies for natural pest control. So, providing them with a safe and comfortable roosting spot encourages the bats to stay in your yard and helps keep the insect population in check. When building a bat house, secure it in a location that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day and is out of reach from predators like cats or owls. Besides, ensure the bat house is well insulated and has proper ventilation to make it more attractive to potential inhabitants. Following these simple steps and maintaining the bat house regularly with protective gear can create a welcoming environment for bats while benefiting from their pest control services. 6. Remove food sources. If you don't want the bats around your home, you can eliminate their food sources altogether. Removing the food sources that attract bats to your home can discourage them from sticking around. Bats are primarily attracted to insect populations, so reducing the number of insects in your yard can help keep them at bay. One way to achieve this is by using natural insect repellents or planting insect-repelling plants in your garden. Creating an unappealing environment also makes your property less appealing to bats. 7. Install bright lights. Installing bright garden lights around your property is a natural and effective way to deter bats. Bats are nocturnal creatures that prefer dark environments, so bright lights can disrupt their preferred habitats and discourage them from roosting nearby. LED lights with high lumens are particularly effective in deterring bats as they mimic daylight and create an uncomfortable environment for these creatures. In addition, LED lights can help make your outdoor spaces less attractive to insects, a primary food source for bats. Reducing insect activity around your property decreases the appeal of your home as a feeding ground for bats. Strategic placement of bright lights near potential entry points or roosting areas can further enhance their effectiveness in keeping bats at bay. The combination of light and disturbance, like motion sensors, plays a significant role in encouraging bats to find alternative roosting spots away from your home. 8. Install an ultrasonic sound machine. Another excellent way to send bats packing is to install ultrasonic sound machines. These devices emit high-frequency sound waves that are not audible to humans but can disrupt the echolocation abilities of bats, causing them to seek out alternative roosting spots. The technology behind ultrasonic sound machines has advanced significantly in recent years, making them a practical and humane solution for bat removal. Unlike traditional methods like pesticides or physical barriers, ultrasonic sound machines offer a non-invasive and environmentally friendly approach to deterring bats. Pacing or securing these devices in areas where bats frequent, such as attics or barns, can drive them away without causing harm. While ultrasonic sound machines are effective against bats, they may not work instantaneously. They require patience for optimal results. Finally, it's worth noting bats have protections in their natural environments and some laws protect bats when they occupy a home or building. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests using onions. Thanks for watching and bye for now.